Today we are going to start the session number 3 of chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry, and we are going to complete the left out questions. Total 9 questions तक किए थे session 2 में, and we are going to complete the remaining 7 questions in this session. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. See, हम लोग problem based on one unknown कर चुके हैं. अभी here two unknowns are there. One is height and other is distances. Okay, so let us draw the figure first. AB and CD are two equal poles, okay, of same height, that is H, and this is a point of observation. This is a point of observation. The angle of elevation of this point, this top is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of this top is 60 degree, and the total distance is given 80. तो उसमें अगर एक x होगा तो दूसरा distance कितना होगा 80 minus x. So how many right triangles here are there? Two right triangles. So हम लोग ये दोनों right triangles को एक एक करके लेंगे, right? So थोड़ा right up part देख लेते हैं. Let AB and CD is equals to h meter be the two poles, and let P be a point on the road so that AP is equals to x meter. So PB will be 80 minus x meter. Also, these two angles are, one is 30 degree and angle CPD is equals to 60 degree. Now we are going to take right triangle. Now see, दोनों right triangle में हम लोग concentrate करेंगे opposite और adjacent पे. So which trigonometric ratio belongs to opposite and adjacent?
Tan.
Right. So in right triangle PAB, tan 30 degrees equals to AB upon AP. So AB is h meter and AP is x meter. And what is the value of tan 30 degree?
1 by root.
1/3.
Very good. 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to h upon x. Okay. So now what will be x? H upon root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now we are going to take the another right triangle, that is right triangle PCD. Here what is tan 60 degree in terms of sides? Tan क्या होता है? Opposite by adjacent. So what is the opposite side?
BC
by PC.
CD by PC. Okay. So in right triangle PCD, tan 60 degree is equals to CD by PC. What is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Right. Root 3 is equals to h upon 80 minus root 3, 80 minus x. Now we'll cross multiply and we'll get h is equals to 80 minus x is x into root 3. Let it be equation number 2. Now what we will do, we will compare equation 1 and 2. ठीक है, क्योंकि दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड h है, so this will be equals to this. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2 we will get x upon root 3 is equals to 80 minus x into root 3. Now we will do cross multiplication. What we will get? Root 3 into root 3? 3. So x is equals to 80 minus x into 3. अब ये bracket open कर देंगे तो this will become 240 and this will become minus 3x. Okay, now we'll shift minus 3x to this side. Plus 3x हो जाएगा. So we'll get 4x. 4x is equals to 240. So what is the value of x?
60.
Right, 60. So if x is equals to 60, what is the value of PC?
20.
Right, so putting in 1, but before that we have to find the height. Okay, so we'll come to the distance later. So equation 1 में h is equals to x upon root 3 था, so h is equals to 60 upon root 3. So what we will do, we'll rationalize root 3 by root 3. So the denominator will become 3. Okay, फिर इसको cancel करेंगे. So final answer
20 root 3.
20 root 3. 20 root 3. So 20 into 1.732. Actual में पीछे back side में this answer is given, but I suggest you to substitute the value of root 3, that is equals to 1.732. So if you multiply with 20, we'll get 34.64 meter. Okay. Now height we got. Now the distance AP is equals to x, that is 60 meter already we got, and PC is equals to 80 minus 60, that is equals to 20 meter. So hence the height of the poles are 34.64 meter, and the points from the poles are at a distance of 20 meter and 60 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now let us move toward question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So this point, okay, from another point 20 meter away from this point, यहाँ से 20 meter पीछे, so definitely the angle of elevation will go down. On the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So this question is also belongs to the problem based on two unknown. Okay, so we need to find the width of the canal, this is BC, and height of the tower, that is AB. So here also we have two right triangles. No, so identify the right triangle.
ADC. BC.
Okay, ABC or ABD, right. So here also what we will do, we will compare AB and BC. So 60 के लिए AB क्या होगा? Opposite, and BC will be adjacent. So which trigonometric ratio belongs to these two?
Tan theta.
Tan theta, right.
Tan
And again, if we take this angle in the right triangle ABD, the opposite side is so with respect to this angle 30 degree, this is opposite side, and the side BD is adjacent. So here also we will compare these two only, opposite and adjacent. Okay, so which trigonometric you will use?
Tan
Tan theta. Now see, अब एक स्टूडेंट ने मुझे थ्रू मेल ही कमेंटेड दैट कि सर why we can't use cot theta. I told him clearly that you can take cot theta also, you can take tan theta also, but I advise to take basic only, because क्योंकि तीन ही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज याद करने पड़ेंगे. अगर हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल भी लेने लग गए तो पूरे के पूरे याद करने पड़ेंगे. So I will solve by using the reciprocal also now. Okay, so let us see the write up. Let h meter be the height of the tower, that is BA, and x meter be the width of the canal. So इसको x ले लेते हैं, and this is height h, right? Now in right triangle ACB, tan 60 degree is equals to, इसके बाद मैं reciprocal ratio भी लूंगा, AB upon CB, that is h upon x. Okay, and what is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Okay, so root 3 is equals to h upon x. If we cross multiply, we will get h is equals to root 3 into x. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, now another right triangle is ABD, right? In triangle ADB, tan 30 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is AB upon DB. So tan 30, what is the value?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Okay, so h upon 20 plus x is equals to 1 upon root 3. Again we will do cross multiplication, so we'll get h is equals to 20 plus x upon root 3. Let it be equation number 2. Now we will compare these two equations, because the left hand side are both equals to h, so right hand side be equal hoga, right? So we'll move towards the next one from equation 1 and 2. Root 3x is equals to 20 plus x. So ये √3 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so √3 into √3,
3.
so we'll get 3x is equals to 20 plus x. Now we'll shift plus x to this side, so minus x हो जाएगा, so we'll get 2x is equals to 20. So what is the final answer? X
10.
10. So the width of the canal we got 10 meter. Now we have to find the height, that is AB. So height का already हम लोग के पास equation 1 है, that is √3 into x. So √3 into 10. So 10 √3. Backside answer is given 10 √3 meter. So I suggest that you substitute the value of √3 also. If it is given in the question, that value you have to substitute, otherwise 1.732. So the final answer is 17.32 meter. Hence, the height of the tower is 17.32 meter and width of the canal is 10 meter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the next question, question number 12. Find the top of, from the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. बिल्डिंग से हम लोग केबल का टॉप देख रहे हैं, तो कौन सा ज्यादा हाइट का है?
Cable tower.
Right, cable tower. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. तो यहाँ पे एक ही unknown है. So let us draw the diagram first. See, AB is the height of the building. ये building है 7 मीटर का. Okay, and h meter is the height of the cable tower. Or we are observing from here point B. Observing the top, so we'll get angle of elevation that is 60 degree, and observing the foot, क्योंकि नीचे साइड में देख रहे हैं इसलिए this is angle of depression that is 45 degree. Okay, any doubt in diagram?
No, sir.
So let AB is equals to 7 meter be the height of the building, and CD is equals to h meter be the height of the tower, and draw BE perpendicular to CD. So we'll get one rectangle. Okay, so ये दोनों 7 होगा, तो ये कितना होगा? h minus 7. Now angle EBD is equals to 60 degree, and these two angles are equal, alternate interior angles. Okay, so how many right triangles we have?
3.
3. And two angles, that is 60 degree and 45 degree, belongs to two right triangle we have to take. Actually 45 degree तो दो right triangle में हम लोग दो right triangle कौन कौन से लेंगे? ये दोनों ले सकते हैं या ये दोनों ले सकते हैं. It is up to us. Okay, is that clear? You can take this two right triangle or you can take this two right triangle as per your convenience or your wish. So I am going to take triangle ABC, this triangle. So first AC we have to find. How will you find AC? Which trigonometric ratio? Tan theta, right. So अब देख लो, यहाँ पे एक स्टूडेंट ने पूछा कि हम लोग why we can't use the reciprocal, that is cot theta. So now I am using cot theta. Cot 45 is equals to adjacent upon opposite. So AC upon AB. So what is cot? The value of cot 45 degree?
1.
1. So 1 is equals to AC upon 7. So finally AC is equals to 7 meter. Let it be equation number 1. ठीक है, तो ये वाला 7 मिल गया. So ये भी 7 होगा. This also 7. In right triangle DBE, again cos 60 degree, cot 60 degree, right? क्योंकि हम लोग का ये दोनों opposite और adjacent के बीच में the two trigonometric ratio belongs. One is tan theta, another is cot theta. So cot 60 degree will be equals to adjacent upon opposite, that is BE upon DE. PE is 7 and the DE is h minus 7. So cot 60, what is the value of cot 60 degree?
1 by root 3.
Right, 1 by root 3 is equals to BE upon h minus 7. and BE is equals to 7 meter. Okay, so h minus 7 upon root 3, this is equation number 2, right? And this is equation number 1. So, but BE is equals to AC, so therefore h minus 7 upon root 3 is equals to 7. Now we'll do the cross multiplication, so it will become 7 root 3. फिर minus 7 को इधर shift करो, that will become plus 7. Now you can take 7 common from these two. So what you will get if you take 7 common?
Root 3.
7.
Right. In our NCERT book, this is the final answer it is given, but I suggest you to substitute the value of root 3. So the default value of root 3 is 1.732. So this will become 2.732, and if you multiply it with 7, you will get the final answer 19.124, or you can write 19.12 approximately. So hence the height of the tower is 19.12 meter approx. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see the 13th question. So 13th question is very important. As observed from the top of a 75-meter lighthouse, 75-meter high lighthouse, from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So first you understand the diagram. See, this is the point of observation. Okay, this is the point of observation, and this is the position of two ships. ये दोनों दो ships है, और दोनों ship का angle of depression is given. Now here कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि ये वाला angle of depression बनाते नहीं हैं और सीधा यहाँ पे 30 डिग्री और 45 डिग्री लिख देते हैं. So figure wrong हो जाएगा. Okay, so you have to be very careful with respect to angle of depression related question. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं what I want to say?
Sir.
Okay, I will show you what the student they used to do. स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, ये वाला पार्ट छोड़ देते हैं, ये वाला पार्ट सिर्फ इतना पार्ट बना देते हैं. Here no angle is there, nothing, only, but answer will be correct because anyhow I am going to take these two right triangles. Answer will be correct. So पहले कभी 3 साल पहले ये था कि if diagram is wrong, 0 marks. It is the clear instruction from CBSE. Okay, it was the clear instruction from CBSE. If diagram is wrong, examiner will give 0 marks. Correct diagram ये है. This is the correct diagram. Angle of depression. But if you draw this, where is the angle of depression? है angle of depression कहाँ पर है? Nothing. This is ये क्या angle of depression है क्या angle of elevation है?
Angle of elevation.
Right. So in the question, angle of depression is given. So that means your figure is wrong. Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So figure is wrong means your whole solution will be wrong. Will be going to get wrong according to the previous instruction of CBSE 3 years before. अभी थोड़ा consider कर रहे हैं, but you have to be very careful about the questions based on angle of depression. ठीक है? So CD is the height of the lighthouse, that is 75 meter, and these two angles are equal. This angle is equals to this angle, alternate interior angles, and this angle is equals to this angle, alternate interior angles. And let AB is equals to x meter and BC is equals to y meter. Okay, यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हम लोग. ये दोनों एंगल्स क्यों इक्वल है? क्योंकि एंगल ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. नाउ यू ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई टू राइट ट्रायंगल्स.
Triangle DBC and triangle DAC.
Okay, so I am going to take these two right triangles one by one. So first triangle BCD. Again, this is adjacent and this is opposite. So which trigonometric ratio belongs to this two?
Tan theta.
Either tan theta or cot theta. So अभी मैं cot ही ले रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, because of one comment received from student, you can use tan also. अभी तुम लोग जो नोट्स बनाओगे वो tan tan लिख के बनाना. ओके, सो कुछ नहीं, ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, CD by BC हो जाएगा. द वैल्यू विल गेट द सेम. सो 1 इज इक्वल, अभी tan लेंगे तो 1 इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, tan 45 1 होगा. ओके, CD अपॉन CD मीन्स 75. ओके, 75 अपॉन BC ये मिलेगा. इफ यू यूज tan, if you use cot 45 degree, then also you'll get the same answer. Okay, so cot 45 1 होता है, so 1 is equals to y upon 75. So we'll get y is equals to 75 meter. We got the value of y. Now we are going to take the full triangle, that is ACD. Again, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side, and we are using cot 30 degree. What is the value of cot 30 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3. And AC is x plus y and CD is 75, right? So x plus y is equals to 75 root 3. Now y is equals to, see, y is equals to 75 we have already got from equation 1. So we are going to substitute here in place of y 75. Now shift this 75 to this side. You will get minus 75 and you can take common, so you will get the final answer. So now in the NCERT this answer is given, but I suggest you that you substitute the value of root 3 as 1.732. So minus 1 it will become 0.732 and the final answer is 54.9 meter. Hence the distance between two ships is 54.9 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
now
sir.
one more question. This question is also a very good question. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. This one. But after some time, ये है इनिशियल पोजीशन 60 डिग्री. आफ्टर सम टाइम बलून यहाँ पर आ गया. ओके, एंड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन रिड्यूसेस टू 30 डिग्री. ओके, so find the distance traveled by the balloon. This distance we have to find. Whether figure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us draw the complete figure. ध्यान से देखो, दिस इज द कंप्लीट फिगर. ये दोनों बलून है एंड दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द गर्ल. सो ये वाला हाइट कितना हो जाएगा, 87 मीटर, बिकॉज दिस हाइट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, दिस हाइट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 88.2 मीटर. वेदर दिस इज क्लियर? ये 1.2 है, 1.2 88.2 से हम लोग को subtract करना. So this 2 will be 87 meter. Now we are going to take two right triangles. Identify the two right triangles.
ADC and AEB.
AEB or ADB. Okay, so this two right triangle we are going to take. Now let A be the position of 1.2 meter tall girl, and now BE is equals to CD is equals to 87 meter, and let AB is equals to X meter and BC is equals to Y meter, and angle BAE is equals to 60 degree, angle BAD is equals to 30 degree. Now we are going to take triangle ABD. So 60 degree, ध्यान से देखो 60 डिग्री का ये ऑपोजिट साइड है और ये एडजेसेंट साइड है. सो काफी हो गया कॉट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक tan. So tan 60 degree is equals to BE upon AB. What is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Right. So root 3 is equals to 87 upon x. So what is the value of x? ये दोनों इंटरचेंज हो जाएगा.
87 by root 3.
Okay, 87 by root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now in another triangle, that is ACD, tan 30 degree is equals to, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So here also we are going to use tan 30 degree, that is CD upon AC. What is the value of tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Right, 1 by root 3. तो यहाँ पे x plus y कितना होगा? 87 root 3. Now what we will do in the next step, we will substitute the value of x here. So distance traveled, यही है हम लोग का, क्या निकालना है? y निकालना है. So distance traveled by the balloon will be equals to x plus y minus x. ये वाला वैल्यू हम लोग के पास ऑलरेडी है. That is, what was the value?
87
Right, 87 root 3 minus 87 upon root 3. Now you can take 87 upon root 3 common. So ये दोनों कितना हो जाएगा? 3 हो जाएगा. Otherwise what you can do, if you are confused, you take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो ये 87 into 3 हो जाएगा minus 87 upon root 3. This is clear? And if you take now 87 common, you will get this step. You will get this step. So 87 into 2 by root 3. Okay. So finally we are going to rationalize root 3 by root 3 and this will become 3. So 87 root 3 into 2 upon 3. So ये cancel हो सकता है. कितना मिलेगा?
29 root 3.
29. 29 root 3 into 2. So final answer 58 root 3. Okay. So hence the distance traveled by the balloon 58 root 3. Backside this answer is given, but you have to proceed two more step. Substitute root 3 also. That you have to do by yourself. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now one more very important question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Okay, this is the tower and this is the highway. This is very important question for standard. A man standing at the top of the tower, यहाँ पर है देखो, observes two car. Observe a car A, which is the angle of depression is 30 degree. Now it is moving towards the foot of the tower. And after 6 seconds the position of car is at B. So the angle of depression will be changed 60 degree. 30 से 60 हो गया क्योंकि जितने पास में आएगा उसका angle of depression बढ़ते जाएगा. Now find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So what we are using here, distance is equals to speed into time. So we are going to take speed as V. ओके हम लोग यहाँ पे जो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड जो ले रहे हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. सो वी आर टेकिंग यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड एज v. सो थोड़ा राइट अप देख लेते हैं. लेट सी डी इज इक्वल टू h मीटर बी द टावर एंड a बी द इनिशियल पोजिशन ऑफ द कार एंड b बी द पोजिशन ऑफ द कार आफ्टर 6 seconds. सो दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री, ये वाला और ये वाला alternate interior angles, and these two angles are also equals to 30 degree alternate 60 degree alternate interior angles. Now two right triangles we are observing here. Name them. Name the two right triangles.
Triangle BDC and triangle EAC.
Okay, fine. Triangle ACD or triangle BCD. So we are first assume that let the uniform speed is v meter per second. Okay, so what is the time for this one given? AB के लिए time कितना दिया है?
6 seconds.
6 seconds. Okay, so distance is equals to speed into time. Speed I have taken v, so v into 6, it is 6v meter. This is clear? Now what we have to find, यहाँ से B से लेकर C तक कितना टाइम लगा. So we are taking let t seconds. Okay, let t seconds and v is the speed, so we'll get the distance BC is equals to t into v. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now
No, sir.
what is AC? What is the length AC?
6 feet plus t.
Okay, fine, very good. 6v plus tv. Right. Now in right triangle ACD, ध्यान से देखो, full right triangle. Again I am going to take 30 degree. With respect to 30 degree, this side is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So opposite adjacent. Which trigonometric ratio you are going to use?
Tan theta.
Tan theta,
Tan
right.
theta.
So tan 30 degrees equals to O by A, opposite by adjacent, that is CD by AC. And what is the value of tan 30 degree?
1 by
1 by root
1
3.
by root 3. And CD is H, and AC just now you told that it is CV plus TV. Now cross multiplication. So we'll get H is equals to CV plus TV upon root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now we are going to take the another triangle, that is BCD. Here also we are using 60 degree with reference angle. This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So tan 60 we are going to use, that is opposite by adjacent. CD by BC. What is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Okay. So root 3 is equals to H upon TV. फिर से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो h मिल जाएगा TV इंटू रूट 3. लेट इट बी इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अभी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकंड इक्वेशन में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड दोनों सेम है, सो वी कैन कंपेयर द राइट हैंड साइड. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 वी गेट 6v plus tv upon root 3 is equals to tv root 3. फिर ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 3. Root 3 into 3 हो जाएगा. Now shift this TV to this side. It will become minus TV. So 3 times TV minus 1 time TV will become 2TV. अब यहाँ पे ये V और V cancel कर लो. So what is the value of T?
3.
Right. So we will get T is equals to 3. So hence the required time is 3 seconds. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we are moving towards the last question of the exercise. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन है, बहुत सारे टीचर्स को भी है, स्टूडेंट्स को भी है कि ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो जो है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, दे हैव रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द चैप्टर 8. ठीक है, मैंने बताया था ना वो इस एकेडमिक ईयर के लिए डिलीट हो गया है. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट कंसेप्ट ओनली. बट सीबीएसई ने क्लियर कहा है न, चैप्टर 9 में कुछ भी डिलीट नहीं हुआ है. सो इसलिए माय एडवाइस इज दैट यू हैव टू टेक दिस क्वेश्चन सीरियसली, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वन. सो लेट ए बी सी डी, एक मिनट डायग्राम देख लेते पहले. सी डी इज द एच मीटर एंड ए एंड बी बी द 2 पॉइंट्स विच आर, एक ही आ रहा है, which are at a distance of 9 meter, this one, and another is 4 meter respectively from the tower, and these two are complementary angles. So अगर ये theta होगा तो ये कितना होगा? 90 degree minus theta. Is that clear? Figure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So two right triangles, are you able to identify?
Yes, sir.
One is BCD, another is ACD, right? So we are going to take one by one. First BCD. With respect to this theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So we are using tan theta. CD upon BC. that is h upon 4. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, now in this triangle ACD, I am going to take cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta के लिए ये adjacent होगा और ये opposite, right? So cot 90 minus theta लेने का क्या फायदा बताऊंगा मैं इसके बाद. पहले tan देख लेते हैं. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to CD upon AC. So it will be cot theta is equals to H upon 9. Why? Because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. You remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
Tan 90 minus theta का formula क्या होता है? Cot theta. Again, what is the reciprocal of cot theta?
Tan theta.
Tan theta. तो ये भी उल्टा हो जाएगा. So this will imply tan theta is equals to 9 by h. Okay. So just now I told you that if we use cot 90 minus theta, that would be better. क्यों बता रहा हूँ? क्योंकि अगर हम लोग cot 90 minus theta ले रहे हैं, मान लो cot 90 minus theta, so we will get AC upon CD, that is 9 by h. So what is cot 90 minus theta? Tan theta. So we'll get in the next step, we will get this step. So no issue, you can use any method, either tan 90 minus theta, you can start with that, or cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, both are equals to tan theta. So h upon 4 is equals to 9 by h. Cross multiplication, what you will get? H
Square is equals to 36.
Right, h square is equals to 36. What is the value of h?
6.
6. We are not taking minus sign क्योंकि distance यहाँ पे जो है, जो length of side है वो कभी negative नहीं रहता. So h is equals to 6. Hence the height of the tower is 6 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is this is the last question of this session, and let us move towards the next section, that is assignment questions. So 8 questions हैं. So all are very small questions, and this 8th question we have completed just now. वहाँ पे already proof करना था और यहाँ पे height निकालना है. जो लास्ट 16 क्वेश्चन था वो 8 क्वेश्चन ही है, बाकी सब डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस है, बट स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज सेशन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.